Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am. Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. Our friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.